This pocket drone shoots 8K? Ruko U11MINI 4K test flight got wild. Feeling like your drone footage always ends up looking like a 2007 flip phone video? Yeah, we've all been there, out in the field with high hopes and even higher wins, only to end up with shaky, pixelated heartbreak. Juggling clunky gear, wrestling with confusing controls, praying your Wi-Fi doesn't cut mid-flight, it's enough to make anyone want to throw their drone and dreams into the ocean. But hold up. What if you didn't have to sacrifice portability or pro-quality shots? What if one drone changed the whole game? Welcome to the rebellion, my friend. You're wasting time, missing shots, and risking total burnout with gear that just can't hang. Picture this. Your epic nature hike is perfect, the sun's golden, but your old drone can't lock GPS, dies in 15 minutes, and your footage looks like Bigfoot took it. The stress? Unbearable. The lost content? Criminal. You've got creative visions dying in your camera roll because the tech holding them back is outdated, heavy, or just plain garbage. Every missed flight is a missed opportunity, and that mental load? It's stacking. Now enter the Ruko U11MINI 4K, a literal pocket rocket for your creative flow. Under 249 grams but built like a beast, this drone flexes in 8K photo mode, buttery 4K per 30 frames per second video, a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, and a 3-axis gimbal with EIS that actually works. You get AI-powered takeoff and landing, GPS with a built-in beeper, auto-return, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time with 3 smart batteries. Beginner? No sweat. Pro? Even better. This is the drone that finally meets you where you are, without holding you back. So what's in it for you? More like, what isn't in it for you? Ultra-smooth, stable shots. A no-drama, no FCC registration drone that fits in your pocket but shoots like a Hollywood rig. Smart return-to-home functions, crystal-clear transmission up to 20,000 feet, and intuitive controls that won't fry your brain. Plus, you get a sleek controller, backup propellers, all the cables, and a premium carrying case. It's literally gift-ready. Tap that link, check the specs, and see what the hype's about. Your footage deserves this. Don't wait until your next trip gets ruined by a clunky fossil of a drone. Thousands have already made the switch, and the U11MINI 4K is flying off shelves, pun intended. With Ruko's killer 24/7 support, 30-day returns, and a 90-day warranty, you've got nothing to lose and everything to capture. So what are you waiting for? Skies open, gear up, and take control of your storytelling. Hit that button, your next viral shot's waiting to happen.